Hey guys, welcome to today's very juicy, exciting video. I'm going to be discussing things that you may have never thought I would ever discuss on my channel. We're going to talk about body hair in all of the places, getting rid of it. I also have a surprise in the video and I'm so excited. If you've been with me for any amount of time, you know that I have a sensory issue and like fabrics on me and like certain sensory touch issues like have to be a certain way or I go bananas in my head. And I always say that my dream, like my vision for myself for the future is that I would be hair free from my lashes down. And now I am doing it. It can be done. And I am so excited because I have an at-home device that works. You guys, this actually works. And you're not gonna have to spend thousands upon thousands upon thousands of dollars going to the medical spa and getting laser hair removal. So we're gonna talk and demo the new Ulike. This is the #1 selling brand in the IPL field for at-home use. 5 million devices have been sold globally. This is trusted. They have something ridiculous like 400 plus patents. Welcome to the Air 10. You guys, this comes with glasses. You got your whole setup here. It does plug into the wall because you need this puppy to be supercharged up. And it's a long cord, so don't even worry. You're gonna get here, there, everywhere that you need to get, no problem whatsoever. Let's take a peek at what you get in the box. You got all of your instructions, but you can hop online as well and get very comfortable with all of your how-tos. It's really easy to use. You don't have to worry about this being a painful experience. It is totally pain-free. Actually, I think it feels good because it's nice and cooling and I always feel really smooth and just silky after using the device, which is what I want. The pulsed light is very safe, but if this gives you added comfort, rock the glasses. I mean, why not, right? I feel like a laser tech. If she was also like, what is this? Like a supermodel? Are we at Fashion Week and lasering our body? You get everything you need in here. You get a pouch for your Ulike. You get a razor, which honestly, I use my own razor and then make sure I'm not putting lotion on afterward. And you wanna make sure that your skin is completely dry. You wanna start with shaved skin. For the first 4 weeks of using this device, you're gonna go 3 times a week. And then the hair cycle slows and you're gonna have to use the device less and less, maybe once every 2 weeks. And then it will become touch-ups. Honestly, I feel my sexiest when my skin, like head to toe, is smooth and soft, stubble free. And I don't know about you, but I swear the older I get, I feel like my hair grows back faster. I feel like I shave my pits in the morning and like halfway through the day, I can be like this and be like, oh my gosh. Because I do have dark body hair. Like it's weird. My arm hair is not dark. My underarm hair is dark. Other hair is dark. I have toe hair. Like let's like go there. Let's go there and talk about all the weird AF hair on the body. I have a little weird hair spot on my chin. That one is one that I've been very excited to have a device like this to get rid of. I am the queen of the at-home device and I myself have been kind of nervous to try IPLs at home because I always was thinking maybe things could go wrong. Maybe I would burn myself, like maybe I wouldn't know how to do it correctly. So I actually denied any and all partnerships with any laser hair removal company for the longest time. I was like, no, thank you, no, thank you, no, thank you. I'm sure we've seen a ton of them on display online. And this is the first one with the technology that I was like, okay, I get it. I'm into it. I'm super curious. There's a technology in here to keep the device at 65 degrees Fahrenheit. You're never gonna burn yourself. There's even a fan here that is gonna keep the device really nice and cool. Like even holding it, you're not gonna deal with this overheating. So I love that. The skin sensor is a light intensity regulation based on your skin tone. This is a brand new technology that is going to detect the skin tone and adjust the treatment power. It will automatically shut off if it determines that the treatment area is not safe. So you don't have to worry about a thing. And you guys, this does have different settings where you can use this device anywhere on the body. If you have fine hair, sensitive areas under the arm, you have a setting for that. For more coarse stubble hair, you have a setting for that. We can use this on the bikini. It is pain-free. Hallelujah. I personally have enough horror stories of going and getting waxed that I could do a full blown stand-up routine. If you guys want to hear about that, like Q&A, bikini wax nightmare with Tati, like let me know. Hilarious. Why don't I show you on a very sensitive area of my body just how quick and painless this is? Guys, I'm gonna be like the smoothest woman ever because I'm addicted to using this genuinely. Love. It is not often that there's a device that you actually look forward to using, but the results are so good and it's so satisfying to have smooth skin. So if you're into that and you love like baby soft, smooth skin, this is the way to go. It would be so much money in a salon to get all the areas. And when I'm talking about all the areas, girl, I mean all the areas. I was on the phone like a couple months ago with one of my good girlfriends. She will remain nameless because I'm not outing anyone. I will out myself. But we were talking about random nipple hairs. Anyone else? Oh my gosh. It's bad enough to have like a toe hair. Like I have cut my toe trying to shave my toe, which is so ridiculous, but I just don't want hair on my body, okay? I want to be like one of those hairless cats. I want to be smooth and silky everywhere. Everywhere, right? But I have like this one lone hair that it is a mystery to me how it grows so fast. And it's like dark and like plucking it is painful. And I'm like, oh my gosh, like I'm not gonna like break out the wax kit just for like this one like hair, you know what I'm saying? And I have gotten rid of it. And that is exciting. I have gotten rid of the chin hair and that is exciting. This thing is just pure gold, you guys. Okay, so before I turn this on and show you just how easy it is to use, how fun it is to use, I do want to share with you guys that 100 of you are receiving this device just for being on the Tati list. You were randomly selected and you know the drill. You've received that text and it's already on its way to you. For everyone else, if you use the code TatiList30, you're gonna save 30%. This is an investment in your future. This is over time going to pay for itself. You're not gonna need, you know, shaving cream and waxing and appointments and laser appointments that will cost more money just for one small area of the body. This will save you time because you don't even need to go anywhere. You're just at home, you're doing this 10 minutes, boom, boom. You know, initially you're gonna use it 3 times a week, but after that, you're gonna use it less and less. I cannot wait for you guys to try this. Be sure to tag me to my winners. And without further ado, let's put the glasses on and IPL my armpits. Oh, she's back. Okay, let's turn her on. The light here is on. Okay, let's pick our mode. I'm gonna go into normal, high, normal. Fast would be for touch-ups. I've already been using this device, so we're gonna go into touch-up mode. So you're gonna hit this button right here once you've made contact with the skin. You do wanna press this all the way on the skin. You'll feel it is cool to the touch. We have 2 lights pulsing simultaneously. That's new and upgraded in this particular device. Industry standard, you only get 1 light. This one, you're getting 2, so the treatment time is cut basically in half. All right, this is how fast it is. I am going to go right here and 3, 2, 1. That's it. It does not hurt. It feels quite pleasant, actually. See, it's not going to blink if there's a treatment area that's already been done. So you don't have to even worry about it going over the same area twice. See? No downtime, there's no sensitivity, and you can get everything, like, you know, on your knees when there's always that like ghost hair, is what I call it. Let me turn this off. Ghost hair, you guys. Those hairs where you're in the car and you look down at your knees and you're like, what? Like I shaved and like I bended and I did all the things to like shave and like, why is there hair there? Now you can deal with it. It's a thing of the past. You can target any hair on the body. This is exciting. I personally, no, this is not for everyone, but I even don't like hair on my arms. I truly don't like body hair. And that's a personal thing. Not everyone feels the way that I feel about this. I think for me, it's like a sensory thing, and I find it pleasurable to have very smooth skin. My poor mother, like literally, this is like story time. I started shaving my legs without her permission when I was in 5th grade. And I asked if I could shave my legs, and she said no. She's like, absolutely not. And I became obsessed with it. Like I would feel the hair on my legs, and I was little, but I still would like feel the hair on my legs, and I just didn't like it. And I was so excited to grow up. And you guys know I've been into makeup and beauty and all things glamorous from the time I was like a toddler. So no surprise that I wanted to grow up a little bit too soon. But I asked my mom, I was like, can I shave my legs? And she's like, no. You cannot. What do? I fill myself a tub and I get in and I grab a razor and I cut my poor little legs up so much that she actually decided, like in her parental role, how to handle the situation was to sit down and teach me how to do it so I didn't hurt myself. So I started shaving my legs, and I was allowed to shave up to my knees when I was pretty young, but I've always hated body hair. Anyone else? I'm sure I could go online and find some kind of diagnosis for this, but like, if you're like me, this will be the best thing you have ever spent money on. With purchase, you do get the option. If you try it for 90 days and you don't like it, you can send it back. You get a 2-year warranty. They really stand behind their product. I love that. That is something that checked a box for me as far as wanting to bring this device to you guys and praise it the way I am. I truly believe in this technology. I think it's phenomenal. I want to share with you, there is a difference between laser hair removal and IPL. IPL is going to use light to detect the pigment, the melanin in the hair. It is going to target it with some heat, and this is going to disrupt the hair growth cycle. Over time, that cycle will come back. You're disrupting it again and again, and then there's no more cycle to be had, and everything stays very, very smooth, with the exception of needing maybe a touch up here or there. Okay, I think we should try the SHR mode. That is like the big bad boy mode for stubborn hair that, is gonna be a more difficult thing to tackle. This is more of your salon setting. This is ideal for your underarm area, bikini line, for your beard, if you're needing to get rid of that. SHR mode is on, and we're gonna go to the other underarm, and I will show you. Make sure you're pressing the plate flush with the skin. I do wanna recommend that. Ooh, baby, you're a firework. One more, bada bing, let's go. Do you see how that does the double pulse of light? Let's get rid of 96% of the hair in as little as 2 weeks. Using the double light situation, go for it. It does not hurt, not at all. You're gonna get quick results with this device. This is FDA cleared. This is recognized internationally as the best at-home device. I think it's worth every single penny, you guys. Use the code Tati List 30 to save 30% off. I wanna hear about your hair removal at-home journey, so make sure that we're talking about it, that you tag me in anything that you post, and especially to those of you that are receiving your very own Ulike Air 10. I am so ecstatic that we could give away 100 of these devices. This is a huge giveaway, and thank you so much to Ulike. You have been generous beyond to do this for my audience. And for those of you that are not on the Tati list, details will be in the description box below. I'm so excited about this one. I hope you guys are too. And there we have it. Now you guys know what I'm using at home to become completely hair-free and maintain it, save some money from going to the salon and time and the headache of shaving and the skin sensitivity that comes with it. This is just such a winning piece of technology, and I love where beauty is going. So way to go, Ulike. I love it so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. I love you all so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah.